This is a pump off, an injection pump off a Toyota Coaster 2000. I sent this away to get it rebuilt. I was quoted 1,380 Australian dollars. The quote went up to 4,700. So I asked them to return the pump, and this is how it arrived at my house. So if you and the reason why the price went up, they said this pump's been modified. I have no idea what modified means. I just wanted my pump. But anyway, I bought a brand new remanufactured pump for $1,000 and had it sent, and I've installed it myself. So I've got this pump now as a spare. I had to pay him $173 to have this mess returned to me. And I thought I'd just show you. If you wanted to know what's in a 1HZ pump, this is a complete 1HZ pump. Every little bit and piece. I'll just scan slowly over to show you. They're not in any particular order, I've just laid them out. I actually don't know how they all go together. So this could be a learning experience. If anyone knows where I can buy a kit or the parts for these, possibly I'll have a go at putting it back together. Looks like it'll be fun. I haven't done a jigsaw in a while. That's the number of the pump. Toyota Denso pump 1HZ. Great motor. Until you put AdBlue in the tank in it. FUCK's your pump. Anyone give me any tips and advice on how to put this back together, and what parts to buy and what not to do and what to do, and what if I can reuse other parts? All I was told by the diesel shop was that it was either bad fuel or just very worn. See that? I'm not sure what the curves that it should have. But that looks pretty well worn. The motor's done 333,000 kilometres. I don't know if this was the original pump on the motor or the motor. Anyway, jigsaw puzzle fun.